The monsoon hit the Indian coastline on May 24, 2025, 8 days earlier than its usual arrival date of June 1st. India has received 180 millimeters of rainfall, 8.89% above the normal in the month of June. The monsoons play a critical role in the Indian economy, especially for agriculture, water, and food security. This all is likely to be threatened due to erratic rainfall patterns caused by climate change. Join Anshuman, Director, TERI, as he explains the state of the current Indian monsoon in the context of climate change, associated challenges, and potential solutions. How would you describe the current Indian monsoon?
Well, the rain gods have been very kind this year, and the predictions of the IMD is that we have above normal rainfall by and large. We do have regional variabilities, but we have good amount of water available to us in most parts of the country. Especially the central and the southern part, we are having above normal rainfall, somewhere around 106%. And it's good in also the northwest side, anywhere between 98% to 108%. I mean, by and large, it's normal to slightly above normal rainfall. In the northeast, I think we have a slight bit of shortage in terms of prediction. But if you look into the overall picture, I think it's a very good year for rainfall.
How has the Indian monsoon pattern changed recently because of climate change, and how does it impact our daily lives?
It is expected to bring in the variability in the precipitation and therefore the intensity and frequency of the rainfall and associated impacts. And so has been observed, as the case of India is, I think as compared to the last few decades, we have seen increase in the intensity and frequency of rainfall. What it means is that we have been looking at more rainfall, intense rainfalls in the areas like Maharashtra, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. I think around 64% of the tehsils have seen more increased rainfalls in these areas. It impacts our infrastructure. It creates urban floods. You have heard about the cloudburst and the flash floods in Himachal, not only impacting the infrastructure but also the lives. If you have early outburst of the rainfall, it disrupts the sowing season and therefore also the productivity of the crops.
What can an average citizen do to benefit from the monsoons?
The best way to do is, look into how we can get help with the rainfall is basically the rainwater harvesting. Now there are many ways how to do that. I think any person in their households, they can do the rooftop rainwater harvesting. We can create these rainwater harvesting recharge structures which can basically increase the groundwater table. You can also plant trees, for example. That's another thing that one can do because plants hold the soil very well through the roots and increase the water holding capacity. So it increases the water capacity of the region.